What's going on, everyone? I'm Arlen Magelitz, Doctor of Physical Therapy, practicing here at the Zone in Virden. We look a little bit different than most physical therapy clinics. We're a concierge care clinic, meaning we utilize a flat and transparent rate instead of going through your insurance. That allows us to bring you the most current research in orthopedic, so muscle, bone, joint, and tendon, neuromuscular, such as post-Parkinson's or post-stroke, and vestibular, like vertigo and dizziness, so you get better as quick as we can, the best that we can. The way that looks is we utilize the 3 R's, which is a reset, reinforce, and retrain. A reset is anything manual that I add in to help alleviate your symptoms, which can be dry needling, manual therapy, cupping, or scraping. We then follow that with reinforcement. So whatever change that we made with that reset, we then utilize it and move through it with the reinforcement-based exercises so that it sticks. After that, then we retrain, which is we teach all the pieces of your body to work together correctly so that this issue doesn't come back. I don't want you in the clinic week after week, month after month. I want you in here 3 or 5 times and then back on the court doing what you love. If you have questions, you can check us out on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. You can shoot a text to the clinic or, of course, shoot us a call. Thanks for checking us out, and I hope to hear from you soon.